Okay, we're going to do a quick walkthrough on how to install Kiosk Browser Lockdown and get your tablet ready to go to be a time clock. First, from your home screen, you're going to want to tap on the Google Play Store. And once that's open, just at the top here, go ahead and search for Kiosk Browser Lockdown. And you should see that show up under search results. And it's going to be the first option here with the green icon. Just tap on install. And yours may say download first. And we'll just wait on that to complete. And once the open button appears, go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to ask you to accept quite a few permissions. So we'll kind of slowly walk through this process. Let's go ahead and tap on accept 11. And you'll get a pop-up kind of asking you what level of permission. And for all of these, just select the highest level. It's almost always going to be while using the app. And these are all required for this to function properly. Okay, and now we have 3 additional permissions that we're going to have to accept, and it works a little bit different. It's going to put us in our system settings. So we'll go ahead and start doing those one by one. Click on accept again. And it'll take you into your settings menu. Go ahead and look for Kiosk Browser and turn that on. And once it's on, make sure you hit the back button down at the bottom right so you don't accidentally get out of your tutorial wizard for setup. And now we'll have 2 more to accept. Let's follow that process again. And once again, turn it on for Kiosk Browser. And hit back again. Now we have 1 final permission to accept. We'll accept that. And we'll tap activate down at the bottom right. A pop-up will appear from the bottom of your screen. Tap on the icon for Kiosk Browser and always. Now that you're at the home screen, you can go ahead and dismiss this unlicensed message at the bottom. And go ahead and skip the tutorial. And you'll be routed to just the Google home screen. So now what we need to do is get this to change over to Worksana and complete the lockdown. So up the top right, go ahead and tap on those 3 white vertical dots. And then we'll tap on settings. And your password right now will be 0000. And this can be changed downstream. So, when you talk to one of us, just let us know that you'd like an upgraded PIN code, and we can change that to something else for you. And this will open up the actual Kiosk browser settings. And what we're going to want to do is hook into Worksana. And to do that, you're going to tap on remote management. It's about halfway down. And then tap on register device. Accept the terms of use. And the registration key is going to be 9WASJ. We'll give that just 1 second here, and you should see it update to the Worksana login. Go ahead and tap on Go to Login. Make sure you select Quick Mode down beneath the username and password field. And you'll want to go ahead and use your provided credentials to log in. So for our test account, And there you have it. We are now logged into Kiosk Browser Lockdown. So at this point, I would recommend going ahead and rebooting the tablet. That'll kind of finalize the lockdown. Um, and it also might be a good time, if you haven't already, to look for updates to the tablet itself or updates to anything in the Play Store that you have downloaded. And if you need a video on that, I can provide that as well. But to get out and reboot the thing, you're going to want to tap on the three dots up at the top right. And this time, select Exit to Launcher. And for now, again, your password is going to be 0000. Just tap OK. And we're going to see that pop up from the bottom again. And this time, we're going to tap on One UI Home and Always. And that'll get us back to our Samsung home screen. That's also good to know if you need to go mess with your Wi-Fi settings or anything like that. And then the easiest way to reboot, in my opinion, is to kind of swipe down from the top of the screen. That'll give you this pull down menu. And once you have that open, swipe on it a little bit more to expand it. And there is a power icon up at the top. Tap on that. And then you can just select restart. Once you've rebooted, you're going to be back on your home screen again. And at this point, you're going to want to relaunch your Kiosk browser. Another thing I would recommend is you can kind of long press on it here. Oops. And add to home. And it'll give you a shortcut icon. And sometimes this thing will pop back up on its own. If it does, no big deal. You can always exit back to the launcher, just like we just did. And you'll see that it's now here at the home screen. And to relaunch it, like I said, sometimes it's just going to launch on its own because it's constantly trying to take over and lock down the tablet. But if it's not for whatever reason, just tap on the icon, tap on Kiosk Browser, and Always, and you'll be right back into your time clock.